magician.
God, look at the up and down thing.
Try dragging it on the floor a bit. That's it. They're like a mixture, these cats. You got it now.
It's like, help, let me go.
Oh, he's so cute.
Yes, this will be us with our cats one day.
Just looking to get one of them then.
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
You know when they want to play because he runs around like a lunatic.
Or in this case, just lies down and rolls about like a lunatic.
Yep.
Yeah.
Send that to her, tell you.
I think I will. And I'll put this on YouTube while I'm at it. There will be another photo album. I don't know why this is making me laugh so much.
This is cute. That fun. It's his little face though when he gets it. It looks like little...
Oh, he spotted a little flying thing. Having fun? Or are you more interested in what Chris is doing?
Tell if they're looking at me though.
Oh, yeah.
No fun, is it, Torment?
Non-stop fun.
2 minutes of it. Let me see if this works. Hold on. We keep filming a minute.
There you go.
He's got the pounce.
He's in position.
Where's it gone? He wants the pounce. Where's the action, Torment? Pounce, ready, action.
Or have we just tired you out?
Probably.
Oh.
There we go.
No, not quite.
Yes, it's me holding it, Torment. It's like, where's that coming from?
Yeah, I'm just being the cameraman now.
Oh, it's like, I think I'm tired. Boop. Boop is a feather.
Hey!
It's a little flip then. He's really fun to play with.
Yeah, who'd have thought?
you had enough.
He doesn't know what to do.
I think we've worn him out. Oh, maybe not.
It looks like one of the feathers came off. And ironically, it's a white one. Hey! I swear I heard him make a noise. Oh.
That poor flip thing.
You're actually worn out.
Probably. I worn you out.
Oh. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the Dark Magician YouTube channel.